happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from February the 4th through February the 10th. And I'm still on my fashion theme, so I decided that I would make my own stickers about purses. I think this is really going to be cute. And this is the paper that I've decided on for the spread. This just says beauty, flair, fashion. I think it's really cute. And then this just looks like a quilted, expensive piece of purse or fabric that you might find in a nice upscale department store. And then I just picked this washi. I think it goes with it nicely. And I'm going to be using this Bic marker, and it is Polynesian purple. I think it's going to be really cute, okay? So let me take my pages out of my planner. And I'm so glad everybody enjoyed the shoe theme. I really did. Okay, I have decided that I want this to be the dominant paper of the spread, so I'm going to cut it first. And I really love this. It just looks so quilted. Oh. Okay, let's put our paper down like we want it. I just wanted something that was going to look very fun and happy, like maybe you were going shopping for a purse. So I'm really excited about this one. Okay, let's start gluing our paper down. Oh, that is really cute. I love that. I really like this paper. Oh, that is really, really cute. Okay, let's start putting our washi down. I think this is really gonna complement the quilted part of this nicely. I do like that. That is absolutely adorable. Okay, let's start putting our stickers down. I just Googled images of purses, and this is a Chanel purse. I think it's really pretty. And I'll just put that one right there. And then this one is a Michael Kors. I thought it was really cute. And then this one is so feminine. I love it. Okay, and then this one is so, it's like an evening bag. I thought it was just precious. So I'm gonna put that right there. And then this one was so cute with all, looks like greenery on it. You can find so many nice purses. Okay, and then this one is really pretty too. It's an evening bag. Put that one right there. Then I loved how soft and dainty this one looked. So I think I'm gonna put this one about right here. And then this one is a Michael Kors. I thought it was pretty. So I think I'll stick this one maybe up here in the corner. And then these were just two that I thought were kind of cute. So I'm gonna put these right here. Okay, so let me just write just a few things that I need to do down. Okay, let's put my pages back in my planner and take a look at it. We're not quite done. I think that is so cute. But what I want to do is I just Googled like shopping for handbags, and I found this picture, and I thought it would be so fun to just like glue some handbags on here like these are what she's actually purchased. So that's what I'm going to do, except I think these are on the sticker label, so you could glue them if you wanted, or you can just peel them off. And I will put this one in here, like that's what's in that bag. And I'm gonna put this one right here, like that's what's inside that bag. And then I thought it would be fun if she's still looking to get another purse, always on the hunt for a purse. So I did another one, trying to get it loose. And I thought maybe I would put this one like it's in her mind and she's looking for it. I just think that's so cute. Now what I'm going to do is just cut this to fit. And like I said, you could measure if you want. I never do. I just kind of eyeball it where I think I might want it. Okay, so I'll just, now this isn't on sticker paper, this is just on cardstock. So I'll just glue this down. You could print it out on sticker paper, but I just didn't. And then just kind of eyeball this to get it where you want it and put it on here. And then I'm just going to take this, put this on here, and make my little circle so I'll know where I want to cut with my hole punch. I probably do my planners a lot different than a lot of people. I'm really not that busy since I'm not working as a nurse anymore. YouTube is now my full-time job. And then you just do it, take a hole punch and just punch this out. So I just like to use my planner for a creative outlet. I've said this many times before. I keep myself straight with what I need to do in the monthly spread part of my happy planner, and the weekly spread I just decorate for fun basically. Okay, and then I just cut right in here. But I find it very relaxing to do my planner, and it's just another thing I love to do. And a lot of adults are collaring, and that's relaxing, and I like to work in my planner. So that's the reason I do it like I do. Okay, now I'll put this back in here, and we will take a look at everything. I love how this paper and the washi works. I think it looks so pretty, and I love these purses. And then I have this. But if you're a very busy individual, you could always write on the back of this if you wanted to. But this is how I did my spread. I think it is so cute. And like I said, I love how everything turned out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.